Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in Ayia Napa, right next to the sculpture park. There's the sculpture park over there. This is Tofinis Hotel, right on the corner. And we've done a video before here, guys. It's got a fabulous water park right at the back. It's an amazing place. Fantastic for the whole family. But today we're going to do a little video of one of the rooms. I've been lucky enough to be contacted by one of the viewers, and they've said we can go and have a look at their room. I'm not sure which one it is. Right, so this is our friend and viewer. What's your name?
It's Chris.
Chris, should we go up the slope?
We're actually round the back.
Oh, near the water park. Oh, let's go around there then. Oh yeah, I know it is, but it's really nice round there. Is it over here? Is your room over here?
No, we're further around, sir.
1 minute, I didn't know there was rooms round there. Now I thought this was the hotel. Last video I did the hotel round here, this white one here, enormous balconies. I did the water park and everything, but I didn't realise we had rooms round here. Let's go and have a look. Oh, there is. Well, I missed that. I didn't know that at all. There you are, guys. There's rooms round here as well. Now you have to walk round, do you, to get to them?
There is. If you actually go to the end of the road, there is a turning off just past the other hotel.
Oh,
and it's
opposite the sculpture park.
Yeah, a bit further round. And there's a block just the other side with a sign on it that says Tofinis Gardens.
Ah.
You can actually pull in there and you're just the opposite side.
Oh, okay. So you can get in through the other side, yep, which is a lot closer. And you've been on the slides today. Have you been on the slides today?
Not these ones today. No, we've been at Larnaca Beach today.
Oh, okay. But have you been on these slides?
We have been on these.
Are they a bit hicklety-picklety?
They're very hicklety-picklety.
They are, aren't they? Which one you been on? All of them?
We have actually, my grandson and I.
Yes, I thought you might, because you've got your 7-year-old grandson here.
That's right.
And he's taken you on every single slide.
Yes.
Rightly so. And of course there's a shade up there. I've noticed there's some shades up there that open up. Yes. So if there's a little bit of a queue, you can go in the shade. Well, that's a good idea. I like that. Right, let's go up to your room, because we're not here for the water park or reception area, or indeed the rest of the hotel. We're here to look at one of the rooms. Oh, there's a slope. Oh, I do like this one. It's a slope down to the water park. Oh, I can see the path now. Yeah. I can see the path that you can take a shortcut and cut across the main road. Oh, well, that's much better. What's over there? Look, oh, there's another kids' playground there. That's marvellous, isn't it? And this is the hicklety-picklety path that goes up to the sculpture park.
Yes.
Is that right? Yeah. And that's the entrance right over there, behind there.
Yeah, you come just following that. Just.
Oh, I can see it now. There right it there. Is. Yeah, there it is. What about that building over there?
That's part of Tofinis Gardens.
Wow, it's enormous, isn't it?
Yep.
Right, let's go and have a look at your room. Now they are holiday shoes, aren't they?
These are holiday shoes.
Yeah, that's what you turn up in the airport with. Your brand new shoes. Unfortunately, I haven't got my holiday shoes on, because I'm not on holiday, but you are. We are going to go into a 1-bedroom apartment. Yes. All right, go on then, open the door. Oh, bleep. Let's have a look around. Oh, oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's quite spacious, isn't it?
It is.
Look at that. We've got a TV on the wall. We've got bunk beds. Are you using the bunk beds at the moment?
We're not.
Oh, you're not at the moment. So handy for a bit of storage.
Yes.
And then you've got conveniently located, comfortable chairs here. And I think one of them comes out as a bed.
They both are.
Oh, they both are they?
They're
Oh,
both
there you
colours.
are. That one's got a lovely throw on it, and the balcony's enormous. We'll go out in the balcony in a minute. Oh, I like the artwork. That's
Good,
nice, isn't it? That'd be nice in my front room. And what I do like is you can sit on the conveniently located bench, watch TV, and you don't have to watch TV in bed. Oh, nice little kitchen. Very important while you're on holiday, a microwave. Often you go out and you've got lots of food left over. You can always bring it back, heat it up. We've got a nice kettle so you can have a cup of tea and a hobnob. Oh, fridge as well. So a nice little kitchenette, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else we got? All storage.
Yeah, got one wardrobe just there.
Wardrobe there. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Oh, it's nice and big, isn't it? Big shower. There we are. Big bit of glass, guys. That's important. So you're not putting all wet stuff everywhere, making the place like a swimming pool. Let's have a look at your bedroom. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Very spacious. Look at that. Loads of storage.
Yes.
Have you got a safe?
That's in this one.
That's in that one. So you've got a safe, guys, in here that you can use. You'll go out to the balcony. Oh, I like that. Put your suitcase on.
Yep.
Unpack. Let's go out on the balcony. I think you open them like that, and then, oh, look at that. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Nice patio doors. We need some patio doors for the back of our house. Oh, this is a nice view. You've got the water park.
Yep.
And then you've got the sea over there.
Yep.
So if the kids are in the water park, you can come here and relax.
Absolutely.
That is a great idea. And another thing I didn't get while I was here is the tennis court.
Yes.
There's a tennis court up there. And we've got a line here for all the swimwear. Look at all the swimwear. You have been busy, haven't you? Look at all the swimwear around. Oh, conveniently located, comfortable chairs. Somewhere to have a cup of tea. Oh, I do like it. It is a lovely view. Oh, one moment. There's a hairdryer. Missed that. That's a nice hairdryer. Look at that. That's easy. That's what the crew could do with. You could do with one of these hairdryers. Because look, you can just flick it back onto the little stand. Yes, make you one. Oh, don't think I could do that. Anyway, that's it, I think, guys. Well, it's very, very nice, isn't it?
What do you get on the telly?
Oh, what do you get on the TV?
We've found a couple of channels
Oh, yeah.
that do English movies.
Oh, so you got some English movies on the
Yeah,
couple of the channels. That's good.
NBC2 and NBC Action, as I remember.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's a little bonus, isn't it? So if you fancy a night in, you don't want to go out for a meal, or you've been out for a meal, you thought, come back, watch a movie. Why not? Well, that was a nice room, wasn't it, guys? I'll keep the camera running because I'm going to walk back towards the front of the hotel. There's the playground right in the far corner. It's got a pirate ship. It's got a little island. It's got swings, all sorts down there. Let's go down this way. There we are. I think this is vehicle access to the water park and the car park at the back. So you've got two entrances. Oh, I think so anyway. Let's go and have a look. Oh, it's a bit hicklety. Yeah, it is, guys. Look, there's the car park. So you can get in from the back, or you can go around the front of the hotel. Let's have a look at the slides. Now there's not so busy. In fact, closed. We have got... Oh, I like this one. Now, I think this one, you go down in a rubber ring, and you go down here, guys, when the water's flowing, of course, and then you go right up to the top, if you can build up the momentum, and then swing back down. But how do you get off? Oh, there's a point. Oh, just here. So you'll come down, back up again, slowly swing down and get off here. That's a slide, There's three people can go on that. Yeah, 3 or 4, 3. Then we got 1, 2, 3 higgledy-piggledy slides that swirl around, and then we've got a splash pool. As you come out the slides, you'll splash into the splash pool. Oh, we've got the toilet one. Oh, there's the toilet one. There it is. That's the toilet one. That's the blue one up the top. Come down the tube and then you get dumped into the toilet basin, and then you'll go round and round and plop down the bottom. So that's the main building. Also got massive balconies, and I do believe they've got a good view over that side. Here we are, guys. We're back at the front. There are some balconies here. They've got some amazing views, amazing sea views. Reception's that way. I'm not sure what they are. Oh, there you are. A slope going up to reception. Oh, very nice. And don't forget the bikes, guys. There's loads and loads of bikes out there you can hire. Well, thank you very much again to our viewers for letting us show us one of the rooms. If anyone else is around and wants to show us the room in their hotel, do send us a message. Yet again, another successful trip at Tofinis Hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.